Hi everyone, this is Alan from ESA Technology. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm coming to a Sino company for visit their factory tour and the showroom. So you can take a closer look at their products. I can't wait for it, so let's get started.
Sino International Trade Limited Corporation is established in Guangzhou since 2002. As a huge manufacturer with over 20 years of export experience, Sino mainly making a digital readout system and glass on magnetic linear scale. Sino has been focused on measuring machines for milling, lathe, EDM machine, and soldering. SDS200S is a compact touchscreen digital display meter, which is suitable for lathe, milling machine, and other processing measurement occasions. With lightweight aluminum housing and industrial-grade high-sensitive touchscreen, functional operations are complete through the touchscreen, effectively improving work efficiency. The operation system is developed to be easy to learn and use, providing a friendly graphical interface and operation instruction. In addition, the SDS200S is embedded with multiple language options, such as English, German, French, Spanish, and etc. Entering the EZER0 position directly. After the processing is completed, press the A/I function key to create the EZER coordinate system. This is the half function. This is function interface entry. Oblique line holding for equally divided whole processing on an oblique line. This is calculation function for entering or quitting the calculator state. This is SDS6-3V, the digital readout used for 3-axis milling machine, lathe machine, and discharging processing. This product is SDS5-4VA. It is a multi-function universal 5-coordinate 4-axis display digital readout, applicable for the machines such as millers, lathes, boring machines, grinding machines, and EDM.
What's more, the company also provides customized service. The logo and design customized are available. The new construction with client's drawing is available as well.
Not only that, the company has more than 20 items patents, engineering technology research center, 5-person development team with the top leading testing devices, with high-tech enterprise. Our products are adapted to a variety of machine tools. With extreme quality standard, the company stays very competitive in global market.
Hey guys, here are our package room. You can see all the finished products are ready to package. The company have a warehouse dedicated to storing the products, which means it can deliver the goods in an efficient way and ship the goods as soon as it confirms the orders.
The company provides different kinds of package for you, so you can choose which one that you are preferred. Include FedEx, railway transportation, air transportation, and sea transportation. Both are acceptable. Products without customization are generally shipped within 3 days and arrive around 7 working days. Apart from this, the company has been certified by ISO 14001, CE, RoHS, and the electrical safety standards for European authentication. The competitive products Nina Greeting Ruler and Digital Readout are famous in the world. With untiring efforts in development in this area since 1989, the best seller in China for the last 10 years.
Alright, that's pretty much about today's video. If you are repeated customers, thanks for your trusting and cooperation. If you are the new coming friends and want to establish business relationship with us, feel free to contact us in any time. And here are our contact information, maybe on my left corner right here.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.